Good week stocks investors. Here are 3 stocks which will be on our radar next week. 1. Tesla. There might be some activity in Tesla, Nasdaq TSLA, shares this coming week, after the electric car maker reported on Friday that it delivered a record 201,250 cars worldwide in the second quarter. The quarterly sales data, which was released ahead of the company's second quarter numbers scheduled for Monday, July 26, provide an important insight into the EV manufacturer's financial position amid the supply chain issues hitting the entire auto industry. The majority of sales during the period, which was marred by chip shortages, were of the company's popular Model 3 sedan and the Model Y crossover. Our teams have done an outstanding job navigating through global supply chain and logistics challenges, Tesla said in a statement. Shares of the Palo Alto, California-based company's stock closed on Friday at $678.90, down about 4% for the year. After remaining under pressure through June, the stock has started to show some strength during the past 1 month, gaining more than 12%. 2. Broadcom. Late last week, the Federal Trade Commission accused computer chip supplier Broadcom, Nasdaq AVGO, of illegally monopolizing the market for semiconductor components. The commission voted unanimously to file charges against the San Jose, California-based company, with newly appointed chair Lina Khan not participating in the vote. At the same time, the commission voted to accept a proposed consent order, addressing the issues in the complaint, signed by Broadcom for public comment. Broadcom is one of the world's largest chip manufacturers. It also makes smartphone parts, key components of networking equipment and semiconductors that run home Wi-Fi gear and set-top boxes. The proposed agreement would prohibit Broadcom from entering some exclusivity or loyalty contracts with certain customers and require the company not to condition access to chips on exclusivity or loyalty deals. It would also prohibit Broadcom from retaliating against customers that deal with its competitors, according to CNBC.com. We are pleased to move toward resolving this broadband matter with the FTC on terms that are substantially similar to our previous settlement with the EC involving the same products, Broadcom said in a statement. Broadcom shares, which have gained about 7% this year, were little changed on Friday, closing at $468.17. 3. American Airlines. Investors will be closely watching air travel trends during the July 4th holiday weekend that could highlight the pent-up demand for travel for the busy summer period after more than a year of restrictions to stop the spread of the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. The sudden jump in demand, fueled by consumers tired of staying close to home, has put a strain on the ability of airlines to rapidly rebuild operations after cutbacks, driven by the onset of the pandemic last year. Pilots who took leave, and those who were switched to new types of planes, have had to be retrained as flight demand has recovered to near 2019 levels, Bloomberg reported last month. American Airlines, Nasdaq AAL, has added flights back more quickly than its primary competitors. It's now operating about 10% below its 2019 seat capacity, according to records from flight data firm OAG. These capacity constraints, and the threat of new coronavirus variants, are pressuring AAL stock. Shares have fallen about 16% during the past 1 month. Closing at $21.48 on Friday, the stock is still up 36% this year.